What the? What's going on? Are you just happy?
We've been trying to build this. We got us some like toys from a kid. Yeah, look. We wanted to do something fun before
Makai.
Could we make a fort tonight?
Hey.
It's basically is a fort.
Nice rainy day out here in Utah. Just buttoning up one of my friend's houses real quick. Right here. He had a big old tree that he cut down. He just needed a couple lights put up that I wasn't able to a while back, and then I'm gonna get home and we're gonna play in the rain with the kids. So here's the first part of our Saturday in Utah. Not really a big 10-footer guy, but that's what I'm gonna do. I got that empty one because there's one light right there.
From Ohio State goes to the Las Vegas Raiders. The Cincinnati Bengals.
Go get this workout in. Let's go get tough. And you guys see the rainstorm coming? The gym. No, we don't know him good enough. Let's go. Gotta be safe. We sure brought the basketball. Tell me. They are. You're also a kid. It's like you guys are related. Make the noise they do. I knew it, bro. You're the greatest of all time. You're a GOAT. Push-ups going. No, leave your shoes on. You're okay. Watch out, Star, so he can be straight. There you go. Yeah. All right, guys. You guys ready?
Yes!
Let's go get behind this building.
Trying to stop! Oh my. Steven, help me stop! Help me stop! Help me stop! Oh my. That was OP, bro. That was so fast. I almost lost control for a minute. I've been trying to brake really hard. Can we do it again? Stop. Did you see?
Did she fail?
Yeah.
Use your brake.
Scarf.
Brake. Scarlet.
Erickson,
Here we go.
here's mine. Hold that for now.
What's the agenda right now? What's our plan?
Go in there and race a new home.
They're gonna go right here.
And Erickson, here's yours.
100 yards that way. I'm gonna race it. Don't move. Where you going, baby? Cheating.
Cheat.
Okay, hold on.
Let's go.
Get right here. Here's the starting line. I'll
Starting.
start right here with you guys on this line right here. Okay? So you guys on this side that I'm on, come right here.
Wait, you're riding?
And I'm gonna run to my truck. Okay?
Behind the line.
Behind the line. Get over there.
Behind the line.
Okay.
Ready?
Who's mic'd up?
Me.
Who's mic'd up?
Me.
Okay, be talking. I'm gonna
Stop.
smoke you fools.
No.